Hello everybody, Larry here, and it's mail call day on Larry's Fountain Pen Review. So, these came in yesterday, which was Monday. So let's get these done today. Been real busy lately. Doctor's appointments, and hubby has taken ill again, so we're dealing with that. So we've been busy here. So here we go. This came in today. Oh, got some Jolly Rogers.
Yay.
Yay. And this came from Pen Boutique store, and I needed some Schaefer cartridges. No, I'm not a big cartridge fan, but I don't have a converter for the Schaefer, so this will come in nice and handy. So, came in pretty quick this time. So, here's a pen here that's come in from the iPen store again. Now, and Mr. Announcer, I'll let you do the honors because you know the newer that word pen. Not you don't say it yet. Surprise them. Here we go. And here it is. And I'll let him take a little, then you can announce it.
Oh, that one, okay.
Okay, yeah, that's one with the weird name. So, you know, I did a review on the vintage one I have, so I thought I'd get a new one to compare it. And here it is, the
Platignum. Notice that it is not platinum, it is Platignum.
So a very interesting name. And you know, I've been doing the research trying to find out how they come up with this name, and I really haven't had a whole lot of success. But let's take a little look at it, let you see. And there it is. There's a pen. Nice looking pen. Okay, so I'll be reviewing that. So we'll set these aside. Last but not least, the grandbaby right here. And I'll give you a hint. It's a pen. Not much of a hint, is it? Okay. And here she sits in all her glory, right there, as we unfold. And it's not just any pen, it's the pen. Parker. One of my favorites. Really a nice leatherette pen case. And here she blows. And this is the Parker's Sonnet. And let's pop open the cap, and it comes with a gold nib. 18K gold nib. Beautiful nib. Medium nib. And no converter. But I may have one for a Parker, so I'm not really worried about that. Can't wait to get this little jewel inked up to see what's under here. And nothing under there. So, that's going to take care of it, my friends, for today. Until our next mail review day comes along, stay safe, wash those hands, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.